Home Remedies presents
just one drop of this oil. Your age spots will be erased overnight forever. Age spots are flat, dark patches on the skin that commonly show up in individuals over 50 years old. Although they are generally not harmful, they can sometimes point to more serious health concerns. The main reasons for age spots include low levels of vitamin C and zinc, too much exposure to sun, and the buildup of lipofuscin in the body. Lipofuscin is a waste product that accumulates and appears on the skin. Essentially, age spots may indicate a buildup of toxins and free radicals in your body. Hey friends, before I reveal the miracle oils, I would like to know from which city and country are you watching my videos from. Let me know in the comments. Rosehip oil. The first oil you will need is rosehip oil. Rosehip seed oil is considered a dry oil, meaning it absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no greasy residue, and it nourishes while forming a protective layer to prevent dehydration. It is rich in vitamin A and essential fatty acids, making it effective for treating visible signs of aging, stretch marks, acne scars, and inflammation. Wild rose oil. The second oil you need is wild rose oil. This oil is obtained by cold pressing carefully dried wild rose fruits. It has a strong amount of retinoic acid, which is a natural form of vitamin A. This has been shown in studies to help heal damaged skin. Because of this, it is great for lessening acne scars, wounds, and burns. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is famous for its antioxidant benefits and is important for skin health. When mixed with rosehip and wild rose oils, it forms a strong blend that may help lessen age spots. DIY emulsion recipe. To make a natural emulsion for age spots, we will do as I will describe now. Get a 30 ml glass jar with a lid. Pour in 20 ml of wild rose oil, 10 ml of rosehip oil, and 20 drops of vitamin E oil. Stir well to combine the ingredients. Use this mixture on age spots 2 to 3 times daily for 30 days. Then take a 30 days break. Oral supplement tip. Taking grapeseed extract in capsules can aid in eliminating built-up toxins and lowering free radical harm.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.